Have you ever tried meditation as medicine? Yes, this is your chance to do it right now. This meditation will help you to reduce your headaches. Yes, and it'll also reduce your tensions and stress that you're carrying every day. Namaste, my name is Neha Jaiswal and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time to do it because you're going to get amazing meditations that you can use as medicines. So no more delay, just move on to this beautiful meditation. Do it along with me. I want you to sit in a comfortable position. Put on your headphones. That is very, very important so that you cut off the sound outside. So sit in a comfortable position, put on your headphones, and just do the way I'm asking you to do in this coming up section. Let's begin. Okay. So today we are going to do Om meditation. Okay, Omkar Ucharan, that is Pranav Pranayam. It is nothing but a pranayam only, but you can do it in a meditation form also. So what we will do is we are going to say this Om sound. This we are going to Ucharan hum iska karenge for 11 times. Okay, everyone is going to do it along with me. See, Om sound is of the universal. It's a universal sound, right? Even NASA has confirmed that the vibration of the space, the region out there, the sound that they can measure out there, it matches. It's very closer to the frequency Om sound has, right? So we are going to do this, and I want every one of you to do it along with me. How you will do it? Just understand. You're going to inhale, and as you exhale, then you're going to say Om. Okay, it's Om. The last syllable, ma sound, you can extend it as much as possible. As much as possible, how much ever is your capacity, right? Let it go. Okay, but don't be very harsh on your respiratory muscles. Okay, do it gently, do it as far as possible. All right, so let's begin. I want you all to close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position, and I want you to hold a different mudra today. It is called as Shunya Mudra. Everyone, you can just look at my fingers, open up your fingers like this, right? And this middle finger, I want you to press it down. Okay, and then press the knuckle using your thumb finger. Perfect. See, like this. Okay, yes, I can see everyone doing it rightly. Sunita, can you just show it to me so that I know you're doing it right? Yes. And Leela, I cannot see you. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so now you're going to keep your hands on your legs, on your laps, in a very comfortable way. Close your eyes, relax, completely relax. I want you to bring that higher energy you believe in, your Ishta Devta, or whatever power, whatever the name you give, in whomever you believe, just bring them in your mind as if they are standing in front of you. Let the divine energy be in front of you. They are glowing with energy, and you can feel that on your skin. You're looking at your Isht, your higher power, the divine energy, and you want to soak in this energy using the syllable Om. So let's begin. Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale with Om. Relax. Again, inhale. And as you exhale, inhale. Inhale. Relax. Keep the vision of your Isht, your higher power, in front of you and continue. Inhale. And exhale with Om. Feel the vibrations throughout your body. Once again, inhale. Inhale. Now I want you to feel the energy from this divine power entering into your body with every Om you say. Once again, inhale. 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 One more time, inhale. Relax. Feel this energy throughout your body. And gently bring both your hands in front of your chest into Namaste. Rub your palms. Generate heat. Place both your palms on your closed eyes. Feel that energy. And gently bring your hands in front of your face, open your eyes, look at your palms with a smile. All right, so this is one of the simplest meditation that you can do is just put your focus on somebody you feel the higher energy, the higher power, and just say this syllable, which is Om. How many ever times you can do? 11 times, 21 times, 51 times, 108 times also if you have some time. It is going to clean your entire aura and the energies are going to get balanced. Okay. So I hope that was very powerful and very, very helping and beneficial to you. If it did help you and brought some peace and released your stress and released your headache, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you're really interested, please join my free emotional mastery masterclass, and the link also you will find in the description. Thank you. Namaste. Hare Krishna.